everybody. Welcome to St. Pete Beach. It's a little rainy. I didn't think it was coming yet. And I may not be the sharpest tool in the shed, but this tool's out here at the beach and I'm going to do a little bit of metal detecting. Let's get it. 1920 right here. It's a couple down. I just saw a 15 Equinox. Yep, it's a little cap. It's a little mini bar. That's a mini bar. That's probably about a $6 cap. So I put that in the pouch. Plenty of room in the pouch today. Surf's up out there. That's the Gulf of Mexico. St. Pete Beach. It's about 77 outside. The water's about 72.3. A storm is kind of rolling through. Hoping to get in a little metal detecting. Straight up 910. 2 or 3 down. You gotta love those numbers. A little breezy out here. Right, the wind's coming right at me. Love it. That could be a piece of foil. Nope. Missing it. Oh. Whatever it is, it's right in there. Looks like a nice piece of foil or something. Gotta dig them. You never know. It's the day before Thanksgiving. I'm just cleaning up the beach. Just fold that up. That's looking north. I'm at the south end of St. Pete Beach right now. And just starting the hunt. Right on the surface. Well, look at that. It's a deuce. 2 quarters for the swing of 1. Man, you gotta love that. I'll have to check around here some more. They were like right on top of each other. Hey man, sweet. Well, just found a fork. That'll come in handy tomorrow for Thanksgiving. Yeah. It's pretty warm. You could swim if you wanted to. It's just a little too rough. Sometimes it's calm and you look up, about every 7th wave comes in crashing in on you. Plus there's probably a few rip currents out there. It's about as deep as I'm going. Yeah, it's a tad rainy, so I grabbed a little cabana. No one's on the beach. Hopefully I'll find some stuff. Something loud, a 30. Somewhere in there. Man, that looks like the edge of a bottle cap or something. Oh, lordy. Yeah, if that's a bottle cap, give me a break. Wow. That's hilarious. Michelob Ultra bottle cap. You gotta be kidding me. Now it's reading a 13, but it was on the edge. I'm going to check this hole again, though. You never know. People getting their drink on, throwing stuff in the dirt, in the sand. That is crazy. Okay. Guess that was it. Crazy. Well, it's mighty rain. Might not be here much longer. Wow, pretty exciting. 3, 4, 5, 6, somewhere in here. Kind of jiggity sounding, jaggedy, kind of could be a piece of foil, something. Oh, wet sand, love it. Now it's reading a 2. Well, I must have messed with it because I don't hear it. Alright, whatever it is, it's up in there. These parts. Be a little snap or something. Alright, what is it? I don't see it. Huh. I don't think that's it. It's a shell. Huh. There it is. Look at that little piece of foil. Equinox 600, man. The thing finds everything. Yeah, it's looking a little stormy. The birds are out here. They're having a fun time. That's about it. A couple more targets and I'm out of here. Best target in a while, a 30. Whoa. I think it's still there. Might be something in here too. Looks like a coin. Well, at least that's a quarter. Might be more. I see it. This wet sand's a blast. Oh. There's one. Modern quarter. Alright. That's it for that one. Coin. Got it. Oh, gotta be a diamond here. Yeah, no, penny. A loud penny. Grasshopper snatched the penny from my hand. Oops, still there. Alright, boy. It is a tad rainy. Way down about that way is the Don Cesar. That's looking south, St. Pete Beach. I'm just about ready to head up my little surfboard, go wash off my feet, drive back to the house, and relax. Okay, welcome to the wrap-up. Not much to show. It was a total turkey. A washout, a rain out, but I battled it out for about 2 hours, and then with the rain soaking wet and chilly, I finally left. But St. Pete Beach, it was still kind of gorgeous out there, even though there was kind of a storm, and the surf and all that was kind of kicking up. But that's what you get. I just wanted to show you a little reality. One day you get 5 pieces of jewelry, and the next day you get half a pocket full of change with a few bottle caps. So don't give up. Keep hunting. I've had good days, bad days, and days in between. So for the day before Thanksgiving, not too bad. Hope you had fun, and thanks for watching. See you next time.